Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, we are celebrating 1,000 subscribers with a garden tour. We haven't done a garden tour in a long time, so I think it's time to do one. There's a lot of new structures added to the garden, a lot of new plants added to the garden, so it's time for you guys to go ahead and get a little bit of information on what's in the garden. So the first thing I wanted to point out is this gorgeous trellis that was gifted to me by the neighbor. She is super amazing. She gifted this to me, and so we have huge plants for the front of this garden because this was added. And as you guys can see in the sides, we have pots right here. Absolutely love them, and so they bring an accent. But once we decide what's going to go on with this, then we'll actually give you guys another update on this. So let's go ahead and move. So right guys, we're in the Ultimate Garden right here. As you guys can see, we're going to start with the greenhouse. This greenhouse was donated to me by Jessica Kaiser from the Bluegrass Homestead channel. If you guys are just new to my channel, go subscribe to her. She's an amazing friend to me, and so go check her out. So in this greenhouse, we have a ton of different things. We have flowering shrubs, annuals, perennials, trees, fruit trees, grasses, seed starters, propagation, nidenias, a lot of things. And if something like this looks familiar to you, because this flower right here is used for seeds of my seed business, so make sure to go ahead and check out my seed business link below where you guys can go ahead and place your orders. Then we have a lot of things just like this very cute rose right here, amazing. And we have the pink chiffon rose of Sharon, which we made a video about, and also the blue chiffon rose of Sharon. And if we move on to this side right here, as you guys can see, we have a border of Piggy Sue Iris right here. This was gifted to me by a company, by Growing Colors Company. And then right here, we have the Golden Dorset apple tree. This was gifted to me by the Fast Growing Trees, and we made a promotion video on that. And so the thing I absolutely love was that this was attacked by aphids, and now it's super clean because I treated it and it's giving me apples. So I'm very, very excited. So let's go ahead and move on to the next area. So guys, we're in the next area right here. This is a new flower bed that was added, and when I look at this area, it's such a reflection because if you guys have been with me, my garden was just this, and then there was a hoop right here, and now this is my entire thing. But the thing I did want to point out is this is a little container I did for a little thing that we're gonna do, but I will not announce that yet because pretty sure this garden tour will be coming out before that. And so let's go ahead and enter through here. So right here, this is the Ultimate Shade House, the very first structure that was added. We have a lot of leftover things here, just like this. We have to plant this out. This was gifted to me by plantingtree.com. It's, I think it's a Morgan Chinese arborvitae, and so I really do love that. And then moving on over here, I did want to point out this. This was an area we planted up last month, and here is the Hollywood Hibiscus, Rico Suave Hibiscus, tropical hibiscus. It has put on so much new growth and so much flowers, you guys. It was such an amazing performer. Then we have a pink tropical cantaloupe right here. And then moving on to this area, which I cannot step in because there's seedlings in here. We have a bougainvillea right here that my dad gifted to me. Then we have the Chinese fringe flower. The other one is not looking very, very good for some reason. So if I have to completely remove this and add a new one, I will. Then we have the red fountain grasses right here. We have the California elephant ears right there, and then it multiplies over there. And if we move on this way, so we're gonna back up, and then we're gonna go over here. This is from the Southern Living Plant Collection, Camellia. This is the Early Wonder. And look at this. This is the Hollywood Hibiscus Heartbreaker. Look at how gorgeous this flower is, you guys. Put on so much growth, so much flowers, and so I'm very happy with the performance. Let's go ahead and move on. So guys, we're in the next area. Right beside the Ultimate Shade House, we have a little tiny flower bed right here that I recently added. So right here, this is a Gardenia tree that the Fast Growing Trees gifted to me. It's doing pretty well. I have to fertilize it again. And then we see that we have a little bit of flowers in front just to decorate it. We have 2 white zinnias, 1 white vinca, and a yellow carnation. I love carnations, you guys, because I'm a florist, so pretty darn amazing. And so as you guys can see here, this is the Magi Dome. And so this has been a work in progress. And as you guys remember, these little tiny vines were super small, and now they're these huge vines, and it's super, super exciting. And so we're gonna be planting this up in another video soon, so please stay tuned for that. The next area is right here. This is another vegetable garden that was added. We have a garlic here in the purple Smart Pots raised bed that was gifted to me by Smart Pots. Huge shout out to them. Then we have grow bags right here with potatoes in them. Then we have I think it's early white scallop squash, which is one of the prettiest squashes I ever seen. And then we have beans over here, and then more squash. And then moving on over here, we have my gladiola patch, which is starting to bloom right here, orange. And then we have the favorite rose bush that has gone through a lot and it has flowers on it. So let's go ahead and move on to the last and final part. So ultimate gardeners, we're in the last part of the ultimate garden. This is the Xenia patch, which went viral, you guys, because a lot of people loved it, and so I decided to keep it because I really do love it myself. And so right here we have the seed table. We have to seed a lot of seeds because most of them did not germinate. And so one thing I do want to point out is this is the Italian Ice Oh So Easy Rose. Absolutely love that, you guys. Then right here we have 2 fire and ice rose bushes. Then we have one of my favorite flowers, you guys, right here, the jatropha. And right here, as you guys can see, when it becomes seed pods, it becomes very small little lanterns. And I want you guys to get closer right here. Look at this flower. If you could get a little bit more closer, look. This is the Viva Paulina clematis. This is the most gorgeous thing ever, and I'm loving it. And so we have this empty bed right here. This is full of lettuce seed that I saw not that long ago. And then we have a whole patch of nidenias here, which we are going to make a video of very, very soon. And then here we have more plants right here. This is I think is what is it called? The iceberg rose. This is a floribunda rose that I formed into a tree, and it's doing pretty amazing. We have Texas sage, we have morning glories, moonflowers, we have gardenias, ground orchids, we have more fire and ice trees. And then we have my little tiny storage of soil right here. And then right here in the back where all of my plants are stored for full shade, because I transplanted these are the crepe myrtles from Black Diamond. I don't remember the name of it. I think there's a tag on the floor somewhere. And I'm trying to propagate the Rose of Sharon, the pink chiffon Rose of Sharon. And let's move back. And I think I have the tag on the floor right here. So the crepe myrtles was the best red crepe myrtle. I absolutely love the color of it, you guys. Whew. And so that's going to be one of the projects that we're going to be doing very, very soon. So that's it for this exciting spreading video. Let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Please let me know, how did you like this garden tour? That was a full-on garden tour, you guys. So I'm very, very happy with what the garden is left now, because last year it was an entire mess, and then now it's structural. There's things there. There's a lot of things that I'm very, very proud of us doing. And so once again, this was a garden tour celebrating 1,000 subscribers, you guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This has been a dream goal I've been wanting to hit for 2 years now, and it's finally came. And so we have a huge thing planning for you guys, and you guys don't know it yet, but we are planning something. So please stay tuned for that. And so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Comment down below what you thought on the garden tour and what's your favorite thing in the garden. Thank you guys so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.